the stats, we not the same. Reading the game, but I'm not playing. Lame ass boy, call them the names. To the real world, you cannot be safe. Pull out the Glock at the closet, escape. Taking you out like a AK, taking you out like a AK. Light a gelato, I'm puffing that thing. Little bit of spray, mix it with drink. There's not no dance, but I got the claim. More in my safe than you got in banks. Feeling just like Blade, all I'm lacking is the cake. Just like some critics, they cannot do nothing but hate. I've been waiting to make 100K in the day like Drake. Keep a pole like a stripper, don't need a tip, but I'm a bank. Got a bitch from Japan, she down my name on the chest. Twerking on my dick, she want that cream on the cake. Got her better than a shark, all because of my babe. Say you got the trick, but they both know it's fake. Look at my fit, look at my chain, look at the stats, we the same. Read the game, but
I definitely would get it done. Car number 1967, look at the very last one on my list. Dan Phillips. And let me slide out here. I have to figure out where your hinge is at so I'm not in your way. And we got the camera here from turn 2, recording you. That's right here. I'm gonna slide in your way over my hat somehow, change it. There you go. All right, well, great day of racing here. Anytime that you can get a done race like this and get it to my podium, that doesn't sound like too bad of a day.
Yeah, getting to the podium's a good thing.
Well, lots of carnage out there. A lot of people saying flats were the things. Flats and belts were the big deal. What was it like for you?
2 belts for us and an axle, CB boot.
Man, these axles too. One of the cars said it was pulling pretty hard. He thought he just had a tire going down on air, but turned out it was 2 broken axles, same side.
Yeah. Yep, we got one on the right side.
Wow, that's crazy. All right, well, let's keep talking tomorrow. 2 days of racing. Do we have 2 different strategies, or are we just going for broke tomorrow as well?
Oh, I don't know. Get her fixed tonight, and yeah, we're going for it all tomorrow.
Yeah, so I mean, sometimes it humbles somebody. They struggled today, broken axles, flat tires, and all that. And they say, you know what, we just want to get across the finish line tomorrow. But some teams don't. Balls to the wall both times.
Yeah, for sure. We want to finish.
All right, very good. Let's talk about the people that make your race program happen.
Oh, of course, our wives and our moms, with Mother's Day coming up.
Yep, this Sunday.
Yep, ready-made concrete and method wheels, Tensor tires.
Pit crew.
Oh yeah, pit crew.
Adrenaline Life.
Yep, parents, Adrenaline Life Racing. I'm sure I'm missing plenty, but
You seem like you're exhausted. You're like, oh, dude, you got to make my mind think right now.
It was a long day.
All right, well,
for sure.
Good. Well, all right. Well, we'll see you back here tomorrow, and I hope you get everything fixed here for tonight.
Hey, thank you so much.
All right, very good out there. Car number 1967, the last man here at the bottom of my list, Dan Phil. Another 10 car. All right, he's giving me the thumbs up. 10 cars today. Doing a great job.